Hello, my name is Wendy Gilmore. I'm the Canadian High Commissioner. I'm up in Baltistan for the first winter festival where they're playing hockey, ice hockey, out on the ice. We've got a couple of teams who are trying as best they can. We've got both girls and boys who will be participating, getting outside, getting active and healthy, and learning about their environment. It's so wonderful to see. I'm so pleased to be here.
My name's Blake. I'm from Canada. I'm very happy to be here in Skardu playing hockey. In Canada, we absolutely love hockey. We play hockey from the age of 4 for most of our lives. We love the winter. We love the mountains. It's really encouraging to see so many young people here trying hockey, learning to skate, learning to play. So I'm very happy to be a part of it.
My name is Max. I'm working with the Canadian High Commission in Islamabad, and we're very glad to be here today in Skardu to play with the Baltero team, Glacier team. So yeah, it's a beautiful place, Skardu. It's unreal being able to play here with the nice ice rink here under the mountains. It's really beautiful.